Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Nintendo Switch 2. That's available now. That's cool stuff, yeah. We see what's new with the Nintendo Switch 2, because the next evolution of that Nintendo Switch system is there. This brings games to life with a large 1080p screen, or we connect it to a television and play in up to 4K resolution. Its support for HDR and frame rates up to 120 frames per second will let us enjoy vivid color, clarity, and smooth gameplay. We snap the new Joy-Con 2 controllers into place with magnetic connectors. Each controller can even be used as a mouse in compatible games. And we experience new exclusive games like Mario Kart World Online only on the Nintendo Switch 2. Plus, we can enjoy compatible games from our Nintendo Switch library too. Some Nintendo Switch games may not be supported or fully compatible with Nintendo Switch 2, but it will become, I hope soon. We have there the new Halo game chat thing. We start a chat with the friends at any time using the C button. We share our game screen while chatting to show what we're up to. And for a more personal touch, we connect face-to-face with Nintendo Switch 2 camera or other compatible USB-C camera system. Of course, each is sold separately. Additional game systems and RSS may be required for multiplayer mode. The Internet. And if we are going to use the Internet, Nintendo Switch Online membership and Nintendo account requires for online features, including the game chat. Nintendo Switch 2 camera or compatible USB-C camera requires for video features and not available in all countries. So have a look. Maybe it's not available at your location, but I think so. We have a bigger screen and the same thickness. We go big with a 7.9-inch screen that lets us enjoy smooth gameplay anytime and anywhere. We play with greater detail and clarity thanks to a high-definition LCD display featuring support for HDR, VRR, and up to 120 frames in compatible games. Handheld mode, baby. Smooth movement on a big screen. Anywhere we go, we have a bigger screen and the same thickness, 7.9 inches LCD display. It's not an OLED, okay? Maybe the OLED will come in 5 years. The Nintendo Switch 2 screen is 1.6 times larger than the screen of a Nintendo Switch console, and the system is just as slim as before. Bigger screen, same thickness means we have the same thickness. So only the large of the screen is bigger than before, but it is the same shape, only a little bit bigger. And a vivid display that brings us the games to life. We play on a screen that shows off the finest of the details. The built-in LCD screen is capable of full 1080p resolution in handheld mode. With about double the pixel count compared to the Nintendo Switch system display, we can enjoy games in a high resolution and greater detail. And a maximum frame rate of 120 frames enables even smoother gameplay in supported games. And variable refresh rate, that is VRR. This technology helps the games move seamlessly by preventing frame skips and flickering. And we have a high dynamic range possibility. This is the HDR supports. Bring greater, more detailed contrast between light and dark areas. And, we step into a high-res world under a big screen. We use the included dock to connect the Nintendo Switch system to our television and unleash even greater details with that. We can use the dock to play on a big screen, and we can play in 4K. We take in all the details with a screen resolution up to 4K when we connect the Nintendo Switch 2 system to a compatible television using the dedicated dock. The system also supports HDR and frame rates up to 120 frames on compatible televisions. That means 4K resolution and HDR are available in supported games and requires a compatible display if you use it in a docked situation. Frame rates are capable up to 60 frames for 4K output. And we have fan ventilation for powerful cooling. Because the Nintendo Switch 2 dock has a built-in fan that helps stabilize the performance. And connecting to a TV is so easy. Compatible televisions can be automatically turned themselves on when they detected the Nintendo Switch 2 system powered on while docked. The system supports Consumer Electronic Control, CEC, where the television automatically detects and changes to the correct input. And with our auto low latency mode, this is the ALLM, we can even have our compatible television automatically change it to the game mode settings. That's a good fact behind that. This is a good feature. But it has to be supported by a television, of course. And of course we have more. New stand with a freely adjustable viewing angle. We place our Nintendo Switch 2 however we like. In tabletop mode, using a large stable stand with 150 degrees of freedom, we can always find a comfortable viewing angle. That's perfect for playing together. And of course, the top of the system now has an USB-C port, in addition to one at the bottom. We can plug in the included AC adapter and play it in tabletop mode while the system charges. That means we find the right viewing angle with a sturdy stand. We share a system for instant multiplayer fun. The freedom is now of the flexibility is coming with the Switch 2. The stand of the back of the system can be adjusted 150 degrees. This allowing us to freely and customize the placements no matter where we are playing. And the two USB ports brings a nice thing. The USB-C ports are now on top and bottom of the system. We plug in the included AC adapter and play the tabletop mode while the system charges. We can also connect a compatible USB-C camera and enjoy video chatting with a game chat anywhere. And of course, more Nintendo Switch 2 features are the Joy-Con 2 controllers. Connect in a snap, baby. We meet the new Joy-Con 2 controllers if we see them in the Nintendo Switch 2 console. It's designed to attach and detach with ease. Strong magnets keeps the controllers firmly attached to the system. We simply press the release button on the back to disengage the magnetic lock and off the cone. We can get them off if we pull on the upper side of the console and Joy-Con 2 without the lock. That's possible, but not on the bottom side. They need a lot of muscles. Easy, comfy, magnetic. We attach it, detach it with easy peasy. The Nintendo Switch 2 system comes with two Joy-Con 2 controllers. When we must move the Joy-Con 2 controllers close to the sides of the system, they will snap into place thanks to the built-in magnets. The strong magnets keep the controllers attached firmly to the system at all times. We simply press the release button on the back to get them off it. The magnetic lock is then released and off they come. Accessories like the Joy-Con 2 wheel also take advantage to the new connection. And has stick and bottom. The left and the right sticks are now larger and easy to rest our thumbs on. They also move smoothly than before, with reduced noise. The L and R buttons are no longer two, and the SL and SR buttons are bigger for greater comfort and control when playing with a Joy-Con 2 held on its side. And a streamlined wrist strap. The Joy-Con 2 strap makes it easy to get into the game. We snap it on easy and pop it with the touch of the button. Handy for whenever we are playing using motion controls. And mouse controls are a breeze thanks to smoothing, gliding, and a better stability provided by the wide base of the wrist strap. And we have HD Rumble 2. From a faint choir to the power of shaker that leave an impressive. The HD Rumble 2 power up to fidelity and capable of the force feedback. That means HD2 responds quickly to in-game action and can convey even more complex. That's the Joy-Con 2 and smooth mouse controls. Additional with the Joy-Con 2, because the Joy-Con are in your hands, but they can also be as a mouse controlled with Joy-Con 2. The mouse sensor on the side of each Joy-Con 2 controller lets us turn surface like a table or our lab into a mouse pad. Both Joy-Con 2 controllers can be used for mouse control at the same time. This opening up a new way to play, like using both hands to control two mouse controllers simultaneously. Mouse control is really cool. We see those little sensors on the colorful sides of the both Joy-Con 2 controllers. We place the sensor face down on the surface and slide the controllers around to use that like a mouse in compatible games. And in home menus possible too. Whether we're passing one controller to a friend or multiplayer fun, or using both ourselves, the mouse control opens up more ways to play. And C button has entered into the chat. Altogether, anytime, anywhere, game chat now. We can choose and make our voice chat. We share a game screen and connect via video chat as we play. Our friends and family are never far away with game chat. Once game chat setup is done, simply press the C button on the right Joy-Con 2 controller to start an online chat with Nintendo Switch 2 friends whenever we do it. Nintendo Switch 2 has a built-in microphone that can pick up our voice, even when we are sitting away. Our voice will come through loud and clear to our friends. We share our screen in real time, even if we are playing different games. We team up in the same game or watch along as the friends play different ones. It's all about hanging out and having a good time with them. And we can show off our game face. We connect a compatible USB-C camera, like the Nintendo Switch 2 camera, to the video chat and see our friends' faces while we are all playing. Up to our people can video chat at the same time. With the game chat, it's easy to connect with friends and family, feel like you're playing in the same room together, no matter of the distance. And of course, the Nintendo Switch 2 camera is sold separately, or you connect another USB-C camera with it. That's possible, of course. So, we can have fun, more fun, when we play with USB-C camera and USB-C chat, or with that chat function. That's cool, that's easy. And we have 3 different play modes available, of course. That's the classic Nintendo Switch console features. And the Nintendo Switch 2 can transform to suit our game style. We just like previous Nintendo Switch systems. We can enjoy our games anytime, anywhere in television mode, laptop, tabletop mode, or handheld mode. That means TV mode up to 4K possible. Tabletop mode on the tabletop or on the desktop. And handheld mode, this is the classic Game Boy style, for example. And we have, of course, more performance. The games of the Nintendo Switch 2 can take advantage of powerful upgrades to processing compatibility, speed, and the graphics performance. We enjoy benefits like smoother frame rates, sharper visuals, and faster loading speeds than before. These changes open the doors to new ways to play. In addition to the Nintendo Switch Edition games, select Nintendo Switch games may also take advantage of the system's new capability to bring benefits like improved graphics and faster loading times. And the sound is much better than before. Crisp audio quality and a 3D spatial sound. The sound quality is more natural and clear with better balance. We hear the difference for ourselves, wherever we are playing, in the built-in speakers or the headphones, which is sold separately. Games can be enjoyed more immersive, three-dimensional sound, as if it is coming from all around of us. And of course, internal storage. 256 gigabit capacity with a faster speed. Even after downloading all these games, the system will still have more than 70% of its storage capacity remaining. And if this is not enough, we can expand our storage with the microSD Express cards. The Nintendo Switch 2 uses a new standard of expandable memory cards. They are called microSD Express. This kind of memory card is needed to faster access speeds and ensure games will run smoothly. Nintendo Switch 2 is only compatible with the microSD Express card. If the microSD cards we have used for Nintendo Switch, they do not support the microSD cards Express standards. We cannot use them with the Nintendo Switch 2. So we have to buy a new standard, and this is the microSD Express card. But these cards are compatible to other devices too. And of course, in addition to Nintendo Switch 2 exclusive games, Nintendo Switch 3 can play compatible Nintendo Switch games too. The Nintendo Switch 2 plays both physical and digital Nintendo Switch games. Some Nintendo Switch games may not be supported or fully compatible with Nintendo Switch 2 console. That it is.